Of course, you must start with a hot skillet anytime you're going to cook with some protein. I like to start with a hot skillet, and then I ran out of olive oil, so I decided to use grapeseed oil instead. And we have some pre seasoned chicken here, which I do have a recipe for. So today I combined two recipes, which I will have in the description box below, the links to those recipes. But I pretty much cooked everything in the same pan. And now I have my shallots and my garlic cooking in butter, and I'm adding some white cooking wine, and I'm going to bring that to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer. That just helps to develop the flavor. And now that it's brown, I'm adding my rice, my dry rice, dry uncooked rice, directly to the shallots. Now that I have my rice stirred up, I'm going to add some chicken bouillon and chicken broth. Then I added some butter, heavy cream, lemon zest, and lemon juice. And now I'm going to give it another stir just to make sure all the ingredients get combined. And now I'm going to add in some freshly grated Parmesan. I purposely left some of the Parmesan chunky and mostly it grated. And then I added a little more heavy cream in here. And now I'm going to mix it around, give it a stir. And now I'm going to set the creamy orzo to the side, clean the pan, and now I'm cooking, last but not least, my sauteed veggies. I just have some mixed peppers that I diced, along with some zucchini that I diced, seasoning with salt, pepper, garlic powder. I didn't want the flavors to clash too much, so I kept the seasoning pretty light on the veggies because my meat is already seasoned. The creamy orzo has a nice flavor, and I didn't want the dish combined to be overly salty. Here you see me adding back in the chicken that we had cooked in the beginning with the veggies. So really, you can have the chicken and veggies stir fry as itself, but we paired ours with a little bit of a carb and a little bit of a fat with that creamy orzo. But we really could have eaten the stir fry by itself.